All right, morning. My name is Will Trevenin. I'm a construction manager for Standard General Calgary Underground Division. This is my 14th year here with Standard General. And yeah, this is the site with this feeder main repair that the city's undertaking with this critical main. Long and short of it is, this is one of the most critical mains the city of Calgary has, coming from our biggest water treatment plant up here in the northwest end of the city. Water to over about 1 million people in the Calgary area touches this feeder main typically. So this is a very, very critical piece of infrastructure here.
Rob Banks, I'm the Vice President of Colas Western Canada. We mobilized our John Deere 870 excavator. It's got enough power to lift the trench box and bring in and take out the pipe that the city was looking to do. We've had guys working around the clock, 2 qualified operators with 35 plus years experience each.
My name is Jamal Romaya. I worked with Standard General for 37 years. We dug the trench, we find the leak, we took that pipe out, and then we waiting for the new pipe to put in. And we installed a gauge down there for the boys to get it safe, because that pipe is too heavy, so we can lift it up safe for the boys and for everybody.
Things are moving along well. They've got the adapters in place here now. I believe the next step is they're getting the pipe lengths cut to be able to bridge the gap between the break here from end to end. And I believe that's hoping to be on site here later this afternoon, and the process has moved forward very, very well.
A really big team effort, and so grateful that the city felt comfortable enough to call Standard General to help out in this situation. It's important for us, for Standard General Calgary, because we live here. This is our community, this is our city. Our people live here, we work here, and they're proud to be a part of this. So